No, so can you give me a tempo that's like
That's it right there.
I like what you say. Let's go to Bombay. Get drunk on the plane. La 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 la. I love your T-shirt. You wanna Converse? Show me where it hurts. La 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 la. We can get high in the hotel lobby. Shoot me like a gun, watch me go bang bang. I can hook you up with a good time, honey. Let me get the phone up. Yeah.
And there's a seal up here for air if we need it.
For this passion and drive, I'm forever indebted. Known to motivate each person here. I'm sure it's my purpose to persevere. Yeah, you're looking at the chosen one. I said you're looking at the chosen one.
Kind of 500 feet.
You know that I was made for this.
Usually fly my drone around.
What's that?
Fly my drone around 400.
Oh. You go all the way to the max?
On 4,000. That's just illegal as fuck.
Stumbled and fell and got up again. Rising with the hunger for another win. Been too strong for too long, I can't give in. That's the discipline of a champion. Overcome adversity and get it done. Didn't run, stood my ground, then I won. Yeah, you're looking at the chosen one. I said you're looking at the chosen one. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this. No intermissions till I win a mission. Told them don't try it, but they wouldn't listen. Not too many options for the opposition. Can't blame them, they just wanna be in my position. Effortlessly breaking records while they stare. Ready for wherever, oh so overly prepared. Yeah, you looking at the chosen one. I said you looking at the chosen one. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. Oh yeah. I was made for this. Yeah. You know that I was made for this. Alright. Running great, now I'm showing up. You looking at the chosen one. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this.
Your brother and we flew over to Sanders, and they have like a bunch of World War II airplanes, and they're pretty cool over there. We did like a whole tour, but I didn't really have anything planned. Like today, I didn't have anything planned, but today my buddy is out here. He's like, "Yeah, why don't you come out? Like, come check out the planes." I was like, "All right, well, fuck it. I haven't flown to Livermore in a long time, so
Okay.
might as well." And lo and behold, you live in Concord, which is right down the street.
There.
Yeah. Just never seen Mount Diablo from the top side.
Nope.
Nice little lake out here.
There. Yeah, Golden Gate.
Gonna try to sequence all these guys. Livermore Tower, Cessna 1920 Foxtrot is about 14 miles to the north, ready for, gonna land on runway 25 with X-ray.
1920 Foxtrot, Livermore Tower, makes straight in on the 25 right, reporting 4 miles final.
I'm sorry, one more time for 1920 Fox.
1920 Foxtrot, Livermore Tower, makes straight in, runway 25 right, report a 4 mile final.
Before we report a 4 mile final, make a straight in. We're gonna set up for a right base 1920 Fox.
Number 20 Foxtrot, I understand. I have multiple in the pattern right now. Intercept a 4 mile final, please.
Right, 4 mile final 1920 Fox. I'll straighten out. Try to come in for a straight in 1920 Fox.
Instrumental 3 Tango Kilo, runway 25 right. Clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 25 right, 43 Tango Kilo.
This is 1132 X-ray, contact ground 121.6.
Yeah, 121.6, 52 X-ray, thank you, good day. Livermore Tower, Cessna 733 Bravo Echo, 6 miles to southeast inbound for the option with X-ray.
73 Bravo Echo, Livermore Tower, enter a left base for runway 25 left.
Enter a left base for 25 left, 733 Bravo Echo.
I'm like the dark in the clouds on a rainy day. Oh, the fire in the hills and I'm headed your way. Oh, it's alright, baby, don't be afraid.
Second departure request.
Left downwind, 374 Tango Charlie.
Tango Charlie, roger, left downwind departure approved.
Left downwind departure approved, 374 Tango Charlie.
43 Tango Kilo, base approved, number 1.
Base approved, clear for the option number 125 right, 43 Tango Kilo.
Turkey 42404, number 2, follow experimental on a 2 mile right base, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25 right, looking for the traffic, 42404.
I'm putting the flaps out.
3 Bravo Echo, number 1, question number 2, runway 25 left, clear for the option, following a Cessna on a 2.5 mile final.
Number 2, follow the Cessna 733 Bravo Echo for 25 left. I'm looking for that traffic now. Livermore Tower, Cessna 35470.
Oh, I'm a blade on a knife in the deepest cut. And these dangerous ways ain't danger enough. No. And I know everything I touch burns right down to dust. 'Cause I'm
Fucking casino's like right on the other side of the freeway.
fly to work, bro.
7 Whiskey Charlie, you are number 3, following a Cessna left base to a 1.5 mile final, runway 25 left, clear to land.
RV 447 Whiskey Charlie is now number 3, 25 left, be looking for the traffic, about 4 miles.
Experimental 3 Tango Kilo. Your task follows just ahead and to your left. Actually, resequence, you'll be number 2, following Cherokee, about a 1 mile final, runway 25 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 25 right, number 2, looking, I think I got the traffic inside 43 Tango Kilo.
Livermore Tower, Bonanza 2008, Delta, come on up from Starkey Peak with Yankee.
President 208 Delta Livermore Tower makes trade in runway 25 right, report a 4 mile final.
Call your 4 mile final, there's just 2 of us today.
And I know everything I touch.
Hit it.
Flight 43, Charlie Mike,
Back to the bay.
number 3, following the experimental overtaking you on the right side. Runway 25 right, start for the option, report time, set when able.
Contact, number 3 for landing, 25 right, 653 Charlie Mike.
And Livermore ground, 1920 Fox, just off of 25 left at Romeo, texting to XL Aviation, please.
This is calling Livermore ground, text to XL Aviation via Lima Kilo. Say again your call sign.
Lima Kilo, and the call sign's 1920 Fox.
This is 1920 Foxtrot, Roger, thank you.
Livermore ground, answer 333 Alpha Mike. We're in transient by the tower, like to taxi for takeoff at Sierra VFR, Palo Alto.
Number
Sounds the shit out of
333
it.
Alpha Mike Livermore ground, runway 25 right, taxi.
Bounced the shit out of that plane. Came in with a bop, bop.
Ending.
I felt the dip, I just pulled back, and that's why we were like,
The landing, bro.
look at open these up now.
Must be nice to be rich.
And